the most important thing is we encourage the students for research. When I say research, the word research is a very ambiguous word, but the students are inculcated right from their first year undergraduation, wherein the government also encourages such projects. In fact, last year, for the short-term student service projects, we got about 17 projects for the first year students. Now the students get motivated when they join the college in the first year itself that they're getting something involved like this. The faculty, if each faculty is assigned to them and they guide them through this project. They're all one-year projects. Now also, the university also encourages grants by way of encouraging the postgraduates to perform with small short-term research. We have a good fab lab facility wherein we design our own instruments, and few of them are also gone to patent level. So we also encourage patents. We have an infrastructure which is very good, which facilitates these things. And we have a young dedicated faculty, of course, a mix of young and old, to compensate and to be with the Gen Z, as we can call it in today's world. Recently, we have got a very good project wherein we are integrating multimodal medical facility. We are not looking at allopathy alone. Now that the emphasis is towards other modalities of medicine. So we have now recently got a project which is sponsored by the Ministry of Ayush, and it is going to incorporate homeopathic drug for the treatment of certain diseases in dentistry. Along with the dental treatment, we're going to try that. And that's something going to be very unique. And we may be one of its kind to have a first homeopath pharmacy in a dental college to benefit the patients.